not wade to the back? Right here.
Yeah, looks like security inspector was working on the same thing. He's doing a recording.
Is he the one who called so he can do a recording?
No, he's like on the media thing.
And he refused.
Where was he standing there? On the sidewalk?
He was on the sidewalk.
Okay, so
yes, he has a right to be on the sidewalk.
Yes.
But does he have a right to videotape?
Yes, you're in public view.
Okay. But does he have a right to not identify himself
Yes,
as to what he's
100%.
doing?
He doesn't even have to identify himself to us.
He's doing a First Amendment right. First Amendment right to record. There's nothing wrong with him recording. If you want to be recorded, you can go inside, away from the camera view.
Is there a gun scene?
I don't know, man.
Who reported that there was a gun scene to us?
I don't know. I know one of our guys said he had his hand in his pocket, inside his bag, when they first seen him, and they didn't know if he had a gun or not. I don't know.
So who told our call taker?
Reverse whoever calls on that phone.
Which one called and said there's a gun?
I thought it was the guy with
Hey, find out who it was. Because
Can we figure out who the RP is who said they had a gun?
I thought he said the guy with the beard had the gun. So, and nobody pat searched him. It'd be nice if somebody pat searched him, but
no, they called.
It's some female who works at the business.
What
She
female
just
is
kept
calling?
hanging up on us.
Right now because she lied to us, and that's a big issue. So find out what female inside your guys' business called us
I'm
here.
sure there's
for
not
this
many
kind of
working
response.
right now.
So we'll go inside and find out. This is ridiculous.
Let me see, because we did have a lot of callers, and most of them refused.
So everyone was calling and hanging up, calling and hanging up.
So
That's
you
why we
guys
got this
need
many
to-
people here.
you guys
And if
need
we're
to
gonna report on
understand-
a gun, that's
I
a
didn't
criminal
do anything.
offense.
no, I know, but I'm just going to
Lie.
educate you on something.
That's fine.
You guys need to understand. We were actually
Can
all
try
in Willow
one?
Glen.
Okay.
Charles, go
Yeah,
ahead.
and when we hear someone, whoever put it out, it wasn't you,
Yeah,
just
I
for
got
this
it.
knowledge, for you can share it with the people.
I was waiting
Do we have a
patiently
phone number for
for
Let me
an
finish.
officer.
Yeah, let me finish. And someone says someone has a gun, we all come here doing 100.
affiliated with.
Uh-huh.
So I don't know if they maybe work
True.
on you guys too.
And like I said, I'm not pointing fingers. I'm also
just
educating
saying,
because that's
but
what we do.
We've been receiving phone calls nonstop from.
For how long?
I don't know. I don't know.
Whoever he's
Okay, so you
Whoever
guys
he's
have getting.
affiliated with of some sort, whatever it is. I don't know. They've been calling and making death threats to the people in the office and whatnot. So our phone's been going off nonstop, and I don't know. If
Is this the same? Is this guy been coming here a lot? The same guy?
We have no idea, sir.
So we don't know if he was associated with that.
Right. Yeah. Do we even know why is he filming here? What is the issue? Do you know offhand? What is it? For what? What? Why?
No, we should go for it. We shall be out of here already. Hank says that she believed he looked like he had a guy in his back thing, so.
We don't have
Who? Him or this guy?
They're calling, and he's
Manzano.
not on it.
With the gun. This guy or this guy? This
Someone
guy?
calling from 408-294-4841,
Came up,
but I don't
was
know.
like, hey, why are you recording? Identify yourself.
But she never gave her name.
Locks my gate. He's allowed to do that.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? Let me tell you something real quick. You remember what I told you this morning about helping me because I got a guy coming in and I think I have this? What did you do yesterday? Did you go hunting for somebody that you knew and you were trying to find and you found him and you got it, but you didn't share with? No, you started to smile. We've had this talk before. Yeah, okay, well, I go off too.
Patrol 561.